So, welcome to What is a Car Insurance Part 7. How to save money on your auto car insurance. So, let's begin Part 7. Improve your credit history. Car insurance for provide better rate to driver with good credit. So मतलब find out that insurance discount you can get. How does I file a car insurance claim? Filing a car insurance claim can be over vehicles, and each insurance company has a their or process and tools in place. However, they are something you can do to make the process assisted. Immediately, your car insurance agent explained what happened and find out what your policy cover as a will any distance for filing a claim. Gather required information. Depending on the nature of your claim, you may need including a accident and required assistance. Your insurance should be able to provide you with a list of information or document you need include. File a claim. You can also submit an official claim or the phone or via your insurance company or website or mobile app. Ask about a returns car. If your policy covers a returns car, find out the process for getting the car or requirements. So let's begin. Why are car insurance claim did it? Then it. Here are three reasons that insurance company might deny claim. The driver is some who live with you has access to your car in driving age but not on your policy. You are using your personal car and business pursuit at the time of the accident. The car is granted at your house that is about the car beginning in your garage limit. It means that a car insurance your policy but out of left some else address. Insurance will also deny claim for what is a called bear cancelled self-inflicted manage damage that including damage done will of routing or at the track and almost no auto insurance policy or warranty of that matter cover we are there. Fenchurium Fensor furthermore, filling of fender the claim is a legend in the 15 state and Washington. Sharing tone. DC so don't change the date or detains or can accident hoping you will receive coverage for damage. Your cold we face severe fine criminal change and event impossible. Impressive meant. So let's begin so that I explained to seven part. So let's begin is a next part to 8 part. Part number 8. To part number 8. Does car insurance cover debt? Yes, for the most part.